Hello my friends, today we are going to show you how to remove the control box of the BL series embroidery machines. Firstly, we come to the back side of the machine and we check the thread base. And there are 6 screws connected to the thread base. We remove the screws. And we lift up the thread holder, and then we can see the control box inside. After we remove the cover, we will see the control box exposed to us, and we get ready the tools we need. And then we will remove the cables connected to the control box. Remove all the cables. And when we remove this number CN5, write a mark, and here we write a mark, number 4, so we won't mistake when we put it back again. And when we remove this number CN10, need to be noticed that this white color is closer to this number side. We remove the screws and other cables connected to it, and then loose the 4 screws connected to the control box. And then we remove the old control box. And when we assemble the new control box back to the machine, the same method to assemble it back.